So today we're going to replace the cabin air filter. It's supposed to improve performance of HVAC system, and any trapped dust or pollen and dirt will be removed with the new filter, and it will definitely improve the air quality in your car. So you begin with opening up the glove compartment. This is Toyota Sienna, it's 2014. There's always a shock observer looking thing over here. You remove that, and then you have to squeeze both sides of the glove compartment to take this entire compartment off. It comes off. You could even pull it out if you like. It doesn't have to be hanging off the hinge like that. You could get it out of the way if you like. I just happen to leave it like this. So I don't know if you could see the rectangular shape cover. That cover comes off, and that's always has a it has a tab that you could just push like you did with the glove compartment. It comes right off, and you have this up arrow on top. Same thing with the filter. It has a up arrow showing the airflow. Somebody replaced it many months ago, and to my surprise, for some reason I have so much debris stuck. I usually park this car underneath a pine tree, so you have these pine leaves, but I don't understand the explanation of the tissue papers here. Where did that come from? From the look of it, it looks like a big job here, because no matter what I do, I can never clean everything there. I don't know how these papers got to it. I don't know if any little critter got to it or wanted to come inside or made a nest or something. It surely looks like that a nest is made in the glove compartment. I don't know if it's possible. I can't imagine how anything would be able to go inside. I usually leave my cars closed, windows closed. I don't know. It's a mystery. But I definitely think something found its way in and made a home for itself. Then again, I did have a roll of tissue in there for a while. I didn't, maybe some of the paper got sucked in. I don't know. It's not supposed to. It doesn't make any sense because it's all covered up and everything. So I got this grabber to try to see if I could clean as much, but I didn't think I did a good job with it. See, there's still some remaining. Looks like I got to drop the motor, drop the fan. That's very easy to do. Just right underneath it, 3 screws are holding it in place. All I had to do was disconnect this electric connection, and after that, just what I had to do was remove the mounting screws underneath holding up the motor. I had no other choice but to do that. I tried vacuuming, didn't vacuum much. I was able to get some out, but most of it still remained in place. So this is the first time this ever happened to me. I usually take the filter out and replace it in no time. I'm glad it did happen in a way, so that if it happens to you, you know what to do. Just, take this motor out. You could even stick your hand inside if you want to collect remaining debris that is stuck up there. It's completely up to you. I use a leaf blower to blow everything else out. So I got this new filter. I am going to install it. I'm going to be mindful with the arrow, because you want to install it with the airflow going to the right direction. So you see the airflow arrow is pointing up, and that's how I'm going to install it. And I should not be smelling any misty smell in the car when I'm driving or when I have the AC on, especially when you have the air conditioning on. If you're allergic to dust or something, you do get stuffy nose when you enter your car. This could be one of the reasons. Apart from the carpeting, sometimes the carpets are dirty or wet. That could cause misty smell. If your carpet is not dirty and it's not wet, most likely your cabin filter that needs to be replaced. It doesn't cost much, but it did take some time of me, because I don't really change the cabin filter. But this time, I'm glad I found this and I changed it. Now I have to be more mindful and replace it perhaps every 3 months. Some people change it every month. I think every 3 months might be good, depending on how much you use and how much of driving you do. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel.